Welcome to your new Redmi 10A, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down with your finger to additional settings. After that, you'll see hide developer options if they are activated, and just to hide them, to turn them off, you should click here once on the switcher. Now we can see that all of the options they are blocked, and when we'll go back to additional settings to the settings, and if you want to go back again to additional settings, we can see that the developer options section is gone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.